Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make soupy noodles. We're going to create a delicious and comforting bowl, perfect for any time. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite noodles, a flavorful broth, fresh vegetables, and a protein like chicken or tofu. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure your pot is ready for the magic. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Start by heating a tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in the pot. Add finely minced garlic and ginger, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. This step is crucial for depth. Then, carefully pour in your broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-empties, and is super pet-friendly. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen spotless after cooking. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With our broth simmering beautifully, it's time for the stars of the show. Carefully add your noodles to the pot, cooking them according to package instructions. If you're using heartier vegetables like carrots or bell peppers, add them now so they can soften. Softer greens, such as spinach or bok choy, should only go in during the final minute of cooking to retain their crispness. Almost there. Now, gently stir in your pre-cooked protein, allowing it to warm through in the flavorful broth. This is the moment to taste and adjust the seasoning. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, or a splash of soy sauce can elevate the flavors. Finally, garnish your perfect soupy noodles with fresh herbs like cilantro or sliced green onions for a vibrant finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.